Guys, what's up? Welcome again to the channel, and today we will be doing another exercise of calculated column. This will be our fourth exercise. So today we will be using related function in DAX to create a calculated column for adding the labels to the chart. So please go in this website and download this file. So I have already downloaded the file, this one. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the file, and we have this is showing that open the tallest building. I have already opened, and there should be the Burj Khalifa, Merdeka, and this Shanghai Tower. So if we go here, Burj Khalifa, then Merdeka, and then Shanghai Tower. So what's the problem situation here? What's the problem statement? So what the user they want us to add a calculated column called name location to the building table by using AND operator. This one to concatenate a comma and a space to end of each building. So if we go in our data sheet and if we see the building table, so what user want a building name with the city name Dubai with the country name. So if you know, all these sheets are different sheets, so there is only one way to pull this data, these two sheets data, into one data that is related. So we can use related function to get another data from another sheet into one sheet. You can make it a master sheet or whatever. So we can do that. Let's try this thing, and we will add one new column, and we will name it as name and location. Name and location. So what we will do, it's saying that first we should take the building name. Okay, so building name is in our building sheet only, so we will take building name, and then we will use AND operator. Why we are using AND operator? We are using this AND operator to add the comma in between. So if I want to add this Dubai, which is city, you can say, so I need to add Dubai here with a comma. So for this comma we are using AND. So I will use this and then AND, then I will use the related function. Through this related function, whenever you click tab, you can already see that it's directly giving me the city table here. So I will click here on the city. Now I will also use again, let's say we take this only, and we do enter. Now you can see I'm getting the building name also and the city name also for each the building. If you want to add one more space here after the comma, you can just do this, and you can see the space is added here. Now the city name is added here. Now I want the country name also. Country name should appear after Dubai. For example, Dubai, then it should appear, I think, UAE, and if the New York is there, then USA, and if any other is there, then it should appear China or something else. So we will use AND operator again here, and we will use comma as a differentiator, and then and then we will take a related function again, and then we will take the country, and we will press enter, and you can see United Arab Emirates, China with the space. So we are getting the values. Now what we will do in this chart, we are having the sum of the buildings by the building names only. Now what we will do, we will delete this building name from here, and we will add our name and location column here, so we can see the building name, plus we can see the city, plus we can see the country. So that's what the user wanted. So see, that's our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.